Hello, my name is Alia Jabeen and I'm here to present my MSc dissertation. I am a student of Leeds Baker University and from MSc Advanced Engineering Management. My supervisor Bal Singh supervised me in this research work. My dissertation topic is solar panel recycling and end of life management. So let's start with the overview first to look into what about my dissertation is about. The overview focuses on the end of life and recycling of solar panel, highlighting the significance of addressing solar panel waste for environmental sustainability and resource optimization. It explores the material composition of solar panels and its impact on the recycling processes, emphasizing the challenges involved in recovering valuable materials and minimizing harmful waste. The research investigates innovative solutions to enhance the recycling efficiency and suggests that solar panel reuse alongside recycling can contribute to a more circular economy in solar energy industry. Next section is about the aims and objectives. The main aim of the dissertation is to explore effective end-of-life management strategies for solar panels, focusing on recycling and reuse methods to enhance environmental sustainability and challenges associated with the recycling and promote a circular economy in the solar energy sector. This research revolved around the four main objectives. And the first one is to investigate and assess the current methods for solar panel recycling, focusing on efficiency, cost, and environmental impact. The second is to identify and propose sustainable recycling processes to minimize the harmful emissions during material extraction and disassembly. The third objective is to do the comparison of existing recycling methods or approaches with the new ones to evaluate efficiency, profitability, and durability. The last but not the least is to review the national and international regulations on solar panel recycling and disposal and to recommend the improvements for legal framework of end of life management. The next section is about the rationale of the thesis. The rationale lies in the growing global demand for solar energy and the need to address the environmental challenges associated with solar panel waste at the end of their life cycle. Effective end of life, including recycling and reuse, is critical for minimizing the waste, material recovery, and promoting the circular economy. So this dissertation examines the existing methods and identify the challenges and propose the innovative solution. This dissertation also aims to improve the management strategies by exploring the technological, financial, and regulatory aspects of solar panel recycling. Then moving to the next component of the poster, which is literature review. This literature review provides an overview of existing studies on solar panels, end of life management, focusing on recycling and reuse strategies. The key themes that are explored in this dissertation include the importance of recycling technologies, as the figure shows that total PV production between the year 1998 to 2008, with a projection of the waste generated until 2038, presuming that the warranty periods coincide with the end of life and the waste generated represent the production levels from those years, because PV modules are typically destroyed once their warranty will expire. So by there it can be anticipated that by 2040 how much PV waste could be accumulated. So this poses that end of life management of PV panel is a new challenge. So this research basically explored the current recycling and end of life practices along with sustainable approaches And this is the limitation of the study, and you can say that the research gap find in this field, and that's why this research is basically conducted, and the comparison of the existing methods with new one to evaluate on the basis of efficiency, profitability, and end of life management and environmental impact has been done in this literature review. And except few companies like Veola, Efficiency, Suez, and Drilling Gas, the literature shows that the rest are still using conventional methods like mechanical, chemical, and thermal, and need more advancement. Despite of improvement made in material recovery, reduced emission, and enhanced PV life cycle, a lot of research is still needed in this field. And the review shows that while recycling offers potential, significant barriers remain, highlighting the need for further exploration in this field. Then the next section of the dissertation is about the methodology that is best suitable for this kind of dissertation was the mixed method approach, and it has been applied for collecting the qualitative and somewhat quantitative data. For mainly this dissertation was all about the qualitative data. So for the qualitative data, thematic analysis has been done to analyze the different themes in this field. And for the data collection, primary data was gathered through the case studies of the existing solar panel, recycling program, and with the expert interview. The interview was conducted with waste expert, and there was some interviews that was found from the secondary data as well. And secondary data was collected through literature survey like peer reviewed articles, industry reports, and government publications. And the below flow chart diagram is showing how this methodology was conducted and what were the steps followed. So it's a clear depiction of the methodology. The next section is about the research outcomes and discussion. So the deep analysis of recycling methods has been done, which clearly shows that each method has its own pros and cons. So we cannot say that one method is good and one is not. No, it is concluded by comparison that for large scale waste, mechanical way is the most suitable because it is less expensive, and as compared to other ones, it is more environmentally friendly. So for the precious material recovery, chemical and thermal methods are more effective because they are more energy efficient. So it will be easy to recover the precious metal like silver and aluminium and silicon from the solar panels. But at the same time they are costly, so they are not more profitable. And the other outcome that is gathered from this research is that challenges like handling high bulk volumes of waste and varied panel design are highlighted in the research, which make the adoption of recycling practices difficult. And this research examined the emerging market conditions as well for the recycled materials and discussed the impact of financial incentives on recycling practices. Overview of current state and challenges of panel reuse with case studies showing both potential and obstacles. Material composition and components detail and their implications on recycling processes was also discussed in this research, which is shown in the table as well, that what are the components of the solar panels and how much they contributed in the panel panel, and how much it would be profitable, and when the recycling and reuse practices will be applied. So it is very important to know about the material composition and components, look into the components detail. The next section is the ethical consideration, as every research requires the ethical approval. So this research follows the strict ethical guidelines, ensuring the participants' rights and dignity with approval and informed consent was obtained. Collected data was handled with care and ensuring accuracy and preventing any form of manipulation to maintain the research validity. And this research was conducted following the ethical standards set by the university to promote the responsible and fair research. The second last section of this poster is about the conclusion, that what we have concluded from our findings. Basically, this research highlights the critical importance of effective end of life for solar panel to ensure the environmental sustainability and resource optimization. While the recycling of solar panels has significant potential, challenges such as high cost, inefficiencies in material recovery, and limited profitability hinder its widespread adoption. It emphasized the need for stronger regulatory framework and industry collaboration to advance the effective and sustainable life cycle management of panels. These findings contribute to the ongoing efforts to make solar energy truly green from production to disposal. That's the end from my side. In the last block, references are properly cited, and this is all about the dissertation. And thank you. Bye.